Today we got a video from Police Ride-Alongs, and the title of the video is How a Routine Stop Turns into a Foot Chase and a Broken Windshield.
Hey, just stay in the car.
Uh-oh, the dude gonna take off?
2015, so.
Hey, you can go ahead and stay in the car. Where are you going to work at? 10, traffic marking. Go ahead, give him traffic. Hey man, you can't leave the traffic stop. Get back to the car.
10 for 10 traffic 1 in the area of 1159, Old Dixie Toll Guys.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Oh shit. Oh wait. I didn't even see the dash cam at the bottom. I'm looking at the main screen. Hold on. I want to see. Wait. We got to run it back. I want to see what the chase was looking like. The dash cam on the bottom left. Oh, this is fire. Okay, let's get to it.
Hey man, you can't leave the traffic stop. Get back to the car.
10 for 10 traffic 1 in the area of 1159, Old Dixie Toll Guys.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Wow. Ooh, wow. Woo.
10 traffic 1, I got one black male, black over black, running towards, running south on Watertown.
Oh, where's she running to? Oh, hold up.
10 black male, black over black, running southbound.
What's your charges?
Who's this?
Definitely some foot cluster. 10-4, maintain traffic.
Where are you in now?
10-4, clear. You ran behind one of the plazas at Old Dixie. 900 Old Dixie.
Was he the driver of the vehicle? I think passenger. It's going to be a female driver.
Damn, see, and he was a passenger.
Yeah, 1200 block. Behind there. He ran behind 1200. Old Dixie.
271. Do we have a unit with the car?
Yeah, they're on 10, 12.
271. Is there still a unit out with a car?
What's wrong? What are you?
Any unit advised if they're 97 at the 10:15.
Ten traffic 1 on 10-12 with the driver at 10:50. That was the passenger that took off.
Oh my God.
Alright.
Because he jumped over the goddamn, he jumped on the
I need your
away
ID.
from the sheriff.
I need your ID.
For what?
You're the one that was stopped. What do you mean for what? You're the one that was stopped initially for the traffic stop. You're the driver. Jesus. For what?
Because you ain't even
It's a traffic stop, ma'am.
Well, you didn't, I see.
You're going to give me your ID and say yes or no?
You pull your camera because you didn't even
All right,
stop
we're
me.
done.
For what? I'm not resisting. I'm not resisting.
I'm done.
Yep, you want to play stupid games? Get her together.
We're done. We're not doing this. We're not doing this.
What am I getting in trouble for?
Did you get cuffed on it too?
What the I didn't even do anything. What the
Just stop.
I didn't resist. I didn't run, but y'all could have ran your ass. You mad because he ran you? That shit crazy. Bitch ain't do nothing, ain't run. Y'all mad because y'all ain't get the y'all wanted? Go do y'all job. What the Bitch, I'm still here. Stupid bitches.
Watch your head.
Shit, crazy.
They both like ran over the windshield?
So, scooted their butts across.
Hey, that damage on your car has nothing to do with me.
Yes, this is it. Okay, so there you go. What's his name?
ID card only.
By the way, you dropped his wallet.
Black, male, NCIC name,
So what are you talking about?
last name match, social security match.
Later, the officer would review his body cam footage with the woman.
This is good for us. Because it makes sure that we cover ourselves. By the way, in the traffic stop, you're not allowed to leave the car, which is why he ended up getting control. So I'm like, you know what? Your homeboy just ran away and you're curious, you know, whatever. I get it. Right? Checking out your car, right? Totally fine. No problems there. I'm with you.
For what? Because you ain't even see the lights. Well, you didn't. I see. You're gonna give me your ideas as well. You pull your camera, because you didn't even see.
I'm not. Listen. I don't know why you ran. I don't know what you guys got in the car. I'm not here to argue with you. If you want, you can take it to court. You could take it to court and you could argue why I didn't do a certain thing, how I should have done it. Oh, it wasn't a traffic stop. I told you, you were confused. You were like, well, listen, you didn't turn on your light until I parked, blah, blah, blah. And I just explained to you, hey, it's a traffic stop, right? It doesn't matter. You can pull into your driveway. And if I initiate the lights and you're still in possession of the wheel, it's a traffic stop. We pulled over guys that have been, the cars on in their driveway, right? Passed out drunk. And we pull up, lights and sirens, it's a traffic stop.
Talking to her is pointless. It's completely pointless. She gonna do what she gonna do regardless. She know right from wrong. Since when do people leave traffic stops? You know what I'm saying? And like the officer said, I understand you getting out. You're curious. You see the damage on your car. We ran away. Like, that's all understandable. But let me get your ID. You're the reason that you got pulled over. You're the driver. The passenger is just the passenger, but he the one that, you know, he had all the attention on him because he was acting so sketchy. But the traffic stop is because of you.
It's a traffic stop. You're in physical possession of the car. It's a traffic stop. And that's what I try to tell you. Just because you started speeding up, I didn't get a chance to pull up behind you and initiate my lights and sirens, doesn't mean it's not a traffic stop. As soon as I was able to, I did that. The lights and the sirens were on. So again, I'm not, especially in a scene like this where it's chaotic, you got homeboy running out, he's attached to this fanny pack he's got on him. I don't know what's in there. I don't know what's inside the car. I don't know what's going on. All I know is he's acting like a fool, and now you're starting to act like him. So at this point, I'm like, I'm not doing this in front of the road. I'm not.
For what? I mean, I'm not resisting.
By the way, resisting is not following him off at work, which may give me your ID. There's two forms: resisting without violence, which is what you did, and then resisting with violence is technically what he did. I tried to get him with the handcuff. That's what
I'm not resisting.
And to be fair, I could charge you with resistance with violence. Don't know what you started tensing up. So one of them is just verbal. Resisting without is verbal. Hey, get back in the car. No, I'm not getting back in the car. That's resisting without. Resisting with is the moment you start like tensing your arms and pulling them forward, things of that nature, which is a felony. I'm not gonna do that. Just gonna do simple listening. But for homeboy getting a felony. How many other questions? It's all I hear. There's nothing. Okay, you can take it from court to whatever you guys do. I have nothing to hide. There's no reason. By the way, I'm not going to cite you for not having insurance. I'm not citing you for the 15 over speeding rate. I'm sure you warning you.
Well, thank you for that. I really appreciate that one. Now that one, hell yeah. I appreciate you for that one.
Then you're coming to avoid that.
So that happened. She was charged with resisting without violence. She'd enter a guilty plea a few months later and be ordered to pay fees and court costs of $373. The man wasn't found that day. Thanks for watching.
Boy got up out of there. Shoo-wee. But, you know, they got his identity, so I'm sure he got caught somewhere down the line or whatever, but he got up out of there, boy. He got up out that jam, boy. Anyway, so, and, you know, honestly, if he had something on him, you got away. That rarely happens, guys getting away. But now you just gonna get like a fleeing charge or whatever, and let's say you had something on you. Let's say you had a firearm or something like that. Now, shit, you rather take the fleeing charge? Shit, I'll take the fleeing charge. You know what I'm saying? Like that shit crazy though, man. Whew. If you would like to support the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Also, hype the video. YouTube has a new feature where you can hype the video. Helps it gets pushed out into the algorithm. Those are all free things to do. If you're looking for some paid options, you can also send a super thanks, super sticker, or look in the description for our YouTube membership and our Patreon link. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you. Your support is greatly appreciated.